Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gear. Today, we have a unique product to discuss: the Starlink Rectangular Satellite V2-150FT Replacement Cable. If you're a Starlink user looking for a longer cable to connect your router and satellite, you've come to the right place. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by unboxing the Starlink Rectangular Satellite V2 Replacement Cable and taking a closer look at what you get. Inside the box, you'll find the replacement cable itself, which is 150 feet in length. That's double the length of the standard 75-foot cable that comes with the Starlink kit. No tools are needed for installation. Now, let's explore the features and specifications that make this replacement cable a valuable addition to your Starlink setup. As mentioned, this cable boasts an extended length of 150 feet, perfect for situations where you need that extra reach between your Starlink installation and the router. Whether it's due to the layout of your home or the positioning of your satellite, this cable has you covered. The cable comes in a sleek gray color and features a rectangular design. This unique shape sets it apart and makes it easy to distinguish from other cables in your setup. Durability is key when it comes to outdoor cables, and this replacement cable doesn't disappoint. It's designed to withstand the elements, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging weather conditions. Customers have praised this cable for its effectiveness in maintaining a strong and stable connection between their router and satellite. No more signal drop-offs or interruptions. It's not just the product that's earned praise. Customers have also highlighted the fast shipping and excellent customer service provided by the manufacturer. When you need a replacement part, quick delivery and responsive support are crucial. Let's take a look at some common scenarios where the Starlink Rectangular Satellite V2 replacement cable comes in handy. If your Starlink satellite is located outdoors, this cable is essential for ensuring that your router can maintain a strong connection. For those with long-distance setups or unique installation needs, this extended cable offers the flexibility you require. To sum it up, the Starlink Rectangular Satellite V2-150FT replacement cable is a must-have accessory for Starlink users who need that extra length for their installations. Its durability, effective connection, and positive customer experiences make it a valuable addition to your Starlink setup. If this review helped you understand the benefits of the Starlink Rectangular Satellite V2 replacement cable, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech-savvy reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay connected and stay tech-savvy.